friends, today I am here at Kolhapur reviewing another vintage car. So today we have a very special car here. Shortly in this video we will be reviewing this vintage car. I'll be giving you entire explanation and I'll showing you the startup video as well as if possible the ride video. So today we have a very special vintage vehicle here. This is a Willys station wagon. These were produced from 1946 to 1964-65. So this particular wagon is a 62 model. It's in very pristine condition, recently restored. I might say it has not been restored as stock. This was a daily car in use, so that's why the owner has replaced some parts here and there. So we'll start from the interior first and then we'll show you the exterior. Later in 1977-78, even Mahindra got the license version and produced them and sold it locally in India. So this is a station wagon by Willys and these were very famous in around 50s and 60s in India. These were used in government offices, commercial use, let's say for ambulance, for transport purpose, for any other transportation. Nowadays it's very rare to see a running station wagon around. So this particular station wagon is a 1962 and it is recently restored by its owner. And you cannot say it is a totally stock because the owner still till date uses it for his business work. He has now reduced the amount of work for this one. He has just restored it and kept it as it's there, the Lakshmi. So we'll be seeing around the overview of this station wagon in a while. Till then we'll show you the interior of the vehicle. So this is the interior of the station wagon. These were very reliable. Originally produced with Hurricane engine, petrol Hurricane engine. The owner have changed the engine, installed a diesel engine because he used it for his business purposes. So the interior you can see is very clean, nothing special, nothing over decorative. It's been kept simple by company as well. So because they knew the purpose, mostly these were used for businesses. I might be wrong. This can be family car as well back at the time. So we'll see what interior, what dashboard used to look like. So this was the glow box. Now it's locked. This is the dashboard. You can see the different meter. This is temperature meter, bar meter, speedometer, ammeter, and this is fuel gauge. Even they had this start stop engine kill switch like the regular Jeeps, Willys Jeeps. This is the ashtray for the smokers. Now it's used for spanners and Allen keys. So this is the 5-speed gearbox. It has a 5+1 gear and the gearbox has been changed with the diesel engine. So they are using a 5-speed gearbox and the steering is changed as well. And then we have some storage space here, and then at rear we can see there's the seating arrangement. So you can easily fit 3 or 4 people here. There's pretty leg room, headroom around here. The front you can easily sit 2 people, and the rear is the storage space here. So it is something like this. So this is the rear side of the station wagon. Originally the station wagon was launched with vertical split 2-door, which had a split here and opened this way, but the owner have altered this according to his use, his feasibility. So here also they have a two door, cut is horizontally. So they have two windows here installed, and this will be opened like this way, and this will be locked here. Sorry for that. So the second door, you can keep it this way as well. This reminds me of the Volkswagen truck they had it earlier. So they have two locks here, and the door gets open like this way. This is a very good vehicle, family vehicle for picnic as well. We can go for picnic. We can sit here, enjoy along the lake side. So we are planning to do that. So for now, I'll show you the boot space here. Pretty much big enough. You can store anything here. They have this bed-like structure, but this is not a bed. They have installed it for the storage purpose. So this is how the rear side of the station wagon is. Now we have seen the boot space of the station wagon. This is restored recently and not using stock parts, but for the feasibility of the working and driving, they have used many alternative parts here. They have modified many parts. So coming to front part, we can see is this is the part where if you keep this open, you will get the air inside here for your leg. So all the airflow will come here to your legs while driving. And I don't think you need an AC or anything for the cooling, because they have lot of windows here. So now we'll open up the bonnet. So let's open up the bonnet here. We have two locks similar to that of Jeeps, and we'll open up the hood. They have a simple lock mechanic here. This will be attached to it and the hood will be kept open. So this is the diesel engine, you can see here. So we have a radiator which is now having some coolant. Earlier we used water in those days, obviously. So this is the engine, and we'll show you the startup video as well. So I'll be starting up, and this is how the wagon looks. So let's have a small ride. As simple as that. Nothing complicated, no switches. So let's fire it up again. So this is how you start this. It's very simple, it's very basic, as it has a diesel engine rather having a original Hurricane engine, petrol engine that is. So we'll get it first neutral, then we'll be using this key. This is now off, 1 and 2, second click you'll get a red light, and then this was the small ride. We can drive it far away as well, but for now we have very limited resources. We don't have secondary vehicle. We have a secondary vehicle though, but we cannot have a. We need many man force here to shoot while driving. This is my MM540 Jeep, Mahindra's 1990 model, and we have here a 62 station wagon by Willys. Later, the Mahindra has also got the licensed version and produced and sold it locally here in India. So we have very good lineup now of both related to same company manufacturer back in USA and at India. So one was Mahindra MM540, which was based on the legendary Willys Jeep, and the second one is the Willys station wagon, which sold in USA also, and later in 1978 by Mahindra, manufactured by Mahindra, and sold it in India. So this was the quick ride, drive and review of the legendary Willys station wagon 1962 here at Kolhapur. Do like, share and subscribe G2 Bullet. So the station wagon has been parked, and this was used for many years, like around 30 or 40 years, for Killedar decorators. They used to supply the tables, chairs and various things to in religious things or any events, birthday parties, marriages, Ganesh Visarjan, Ganesh Chaturthi. So this was heavily used earlier for that purpose. It's been now parked here, and this is my Jeep MM540. I'll be showing the review of this as well in later video. So thank you.